A very good morning to all the students. Today we'll go for the topic Introduction of Marketing. Before going to the topic of marketing, let us talk about the topic related to market. So what do you mean by the term market? Market is nothing but it is a place where buyers and sellers meet each other and make their transactions of buying and selling. That means market is one of the kind of place where there are different peoples or meet directly each other. So who are the kinds of peoples are nothing but one is one kind of peoples are buyers and others are sellers. So they are going to be meet each other and they are going to be they are going to be finished their transaction of buying and selling. So this is what we call it as a marketing. After knowing this, next we'll go for the definition of market. A market is defined as the sum total of all the buyers and sellers in the area or region under the consideration. So this is what we call it as the definition of the market. After knowing the meaning and definition of a market, next we'll move on to the topic marketing. So now we are going to be know about the meaning of marketing. Marketing is the phase of business activity through which human wants are satisfied by the exchange of goods and services. It's nothing but marketing is the one of the stage or kind of business activity where in that people's wants are satisfied by just exchanging of goods and services. This is what we call it as a marketing. Next, we'll know the meaning of definition of marketing. Marketing is the activity, set of instructions and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. So this is what the definition of marketing. Next, we'll move on to the another important topic related to the marketing, that is functions of marketing. The first function of marketing is buying. So buying is the first function of marketing where a producer is supposed to produce raw materials for his production. He is supposed to buy raw materials from various sources. So buying is one of the first function of the marketing. Before producing the product, a manufacturer is going to be purchased raw materials from various places. So that is what buying is one of the first function of the marketing. The second function of marketing is assembling. So assembling is also a very important term at the heading of the functions of marketing. Assembling is nothing but that's what just now I said. Before purchasing the product, a manufacturer going to purchasing a variety of raw materials. So whatever he purchased the raw materials, he is supposed to be assembled at one place. So this is what we call it as assembled. After assembling all those raw materials, he is supposed to go for producing a product. That is what before producing he is supposed to be assembled at one place for all the variety of raw materials from where he purchased. So this is what the second function of marketing. The next function of marketing is transportation. Yes, transportation is very important function of the marketing. Before producing the product as well as after producing the product, a manufacturer wants one of the important term, that is transportation. How means before producing the product, a manufacturer is going to be bring raw materials. That raw materials he cannot get it near his places, so he is supposed to be purchased from various places. So in such a case, he is supposed to be use the transportation facility. And another term is after producing the product, again transportation helps a lot to the producer. That means he is supposed to be send all the products to the market. In such a case, transportation is also very important term to the manufacturer. So another important function of marketing is transportation. The next one is the next function of the marketing is warehousing. Warehousing is also one of the important function of marketing. In such a case, so what is the meaning of the warehousing is nothing but after producing the products or goods, a manufacturer directly will not distribute all the products to the market. In such a case, he is supposed to store that products in one place. That place we call it as a warehousing. Why a manufacturer is going to be store the products in the sense because of demand as well as he has to be produced Lakhs of product. In such a case, half of the portion is supposed to be distribution, and the remaining portion of the products is supposed to be keep in a warehousing. So warehousing is also one of the important function of the marketing. The next function of the marketing is standardization and grading. So standardization refers to the determining of standards based on the size, quality, design, weight, color, raw material, what he has to be used. So based on these conditions, a standardized will be given. In respect of a particular product, here it is ascertained that the given product will have some peculiarities. The next one is grading. Grading is also very important. Grading is a process. It is mostly used in case of agriculture products like food grains, cotton, tobacco, apples, mangoes. For these products, here they have to be given some grades. So that is what grading is mostly used in the agricultural products based on their quality. Next one is the next function of the marketing is branding. Branding is also a very important function of the marketing. Every producer or seller wants that his product should have special identity in the market. In order to realize his wish, he has to distinct from other competitors. Yes, where a manufacturer is supposed to be face lots of competitions in the country or the world or in the market. In such a case, he is supposed to give a brand to his product by having a good quality. So this is what we call it as a brand. For example, ambassador car like. So this is about the introduction part of the marketing. Thank you one and all.